Social and economic impacts of AI agents. The increasing integration of AI agents into industries and businesses is having a profound impact on both society and the global economy. AI agents, with their ability to automate tasks, enhance productivity, and make intelligent decisions, are reshaping the workforce, creating both opportunities and challenges. While these technologies offer the potential for significant economic growth, they also raise important questions about employment, job displacement, and the changing nature of work. AI agents and employment. Displacement versus job creation. One of the most discussed social impacts of AI agents is their effect on employment. As AI agents automate more tasks, particularly in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, customer service, and finance, there is growing concern about job displacement. Many routine, repetitive, and manual tasks that were traditionally performed by humans are increasingly being taken over by AI-driven systems. For example, in customer service, AI chatbots are handling an increasing number of inquiries, reducing the need for human agents to answer simple questions or process routine requests. However, the relationship between AI agents and employment is more complex than simple job loss. While some jobs are undoubtedly being automated, new roles are emerging that require human oversight, development, and collaboration with AI systems. As AI technologies evolve, there is a growing demand for workers with skills in data science, AI development, machine learning engineering, and AI ethics. The rise of AI agents is also creating opportunities in areas such as AI training, system maintenance, and human-AI collaboration roles. For instance, AI agents can handle large datasets and perform predictive analytics in financial services, but humans are still needed to interpret the data and make final decisions in complex, nuanced scenarios. This leads to the argument that AI agents will lead to a shift in the nature of work, rather than massive unemployment. In addition, upskilling and reskilling programs are becoming essential as companies and governments focus on training workers for jobs that will coexist with AI technologies. A study by the World Economic Forum suggests that while AI and automation may displace around 85 million jobs globally by 2025, they are also expected to create 97 million new jobs in fields such as AI development, digital marketing, and human-machine interaction. The challenge will be in managing this transition, ensuring that workers are given the opportunities and support to adapt to new job markets and acquire the necessary skills. The economic benefits of AI agents in industries. AI agents bring significant economic benefits to industries by driving efficiency, increasing productivity, and enhancing decision-making processes. The automation of repetitive tasks through AI agents allows businesses to operate more effectively and at a lower cost, enabling them to scale faster and serve more customers without increasing operational expenses. For example, AI-powered robots in manufacturing can work around the clock without fatigue, improving production speed and reducing the risk of human error. In logistics and supply chain management, AI agents help optimize routes, predict demand, and manage inventory more accurately, saving businesses both time and money. Autonomous vehicles and drones driven by AI are transforming delivery systems, offering faster and more reliable services. These innovations allow companies to streamline operations and reduce their reliance on human labor for routine tasks, making them more competitive in a global market. The financial sector is also benefiting from AI agents, particularly in areas such as fraud detection, trading, and risk management. AI agents can process large datasets and identify patterns in real time, allowing financial institutions to detect fraudulent activities, assess credit risks, and make more informed investment decisions. Automated trading systems use AI to execute trades at optimal times, increasing profitability for financial firms. In healthcare, AI agents are revolutionizing diagnostics, treatment planning, and patient monitoring. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, AI agents can identify patterns that may not be immediately apparent to human doctors, improving diagnostic accuracy and enabling more personalized treatments. The use of AI in these processes reduces costs, improves patient outcomes, and frees up medical professionals to focus on more complex aspects of patient care. Economically, AI agents are projected to significantly contribute to global GDP growth. According to a report by PwC, AI is expected to add up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, primarily through increased productivity and the automation of tasks. Industries that adopt AI technologies early are likely to see substantial gains in efficiency and innovation, giving them a competitive edge in the marketplace. In summary, while AI agents raise concerns about job displacement, they also offer opportunities for new forms of employment and economic growth. Their ability to drive efficiency, reduce costs, and open up new markets positions them as a key factor in the future of industry. However, managing the social impact of these changes, particularly in terms of employment and reskilling, will be critical to ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared across society.